Oh, hello guys! Today in this really short video I'm gonna show you a really basic stuff about VIM, the VIM editor, and let's go to the prepared copy of bash rc file. Now open the terminal here. Before we even start using VIM we have to install it. And if you are on the Ubuntu or Debian, this is how you do it. Sudo apt install vim, just press enter, put down your password, and this should install the vim editor. As you can see, mine it's already installed and the newest version. If you are on the Arch Linux, you can do install it with the sudo pacman capital S vim. Now let's just open the bash rc file we have here. As you can see, this looks pretty similar to, let's say, if you are using nano. I'm not gonna go too deep. This is just gonna be basic. I'm not gonna go through all the commands and all the modes, but you can navigate to the text with the arrow keys. If you want to start typing stuff, for example, let's go to the bottom. If you want to be able to start typing, you have to go to the what it's called insert mode. You can do that with pressing I on your keyboard, and as you can see here on the bottom it says insert. Now you can just start typing. When you are ready, just press escape on your keyboard and the insert mode it's gone. Now you can just navigate through the text. If you want to write down all your changes, just press the semicolon and the W for write. Just press enter, and as you can see it says that the bash rc file is written. Now the other thing I want to show you is how to get the hell out of this file with vim. It's pretty basic. Just press the semicolon, put down the command, and for exit is just Q, enter, and you are out of vim. I know it's pretty difficult to find in the beginning. I know I was wondering how to do that. Well, this is how you do it. This is all I'm gonna show you today. As far as I go further and further and I learn more and more about bash and the vim editor, I'm gonna show you more and more stuff. So that's it from me and from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.